Hi guys, welcome to my virtual open house. We're here at 2351 Mossy Oak at the Villas in Charleston Park in the heart of Northport, one of the county's fastest growing cities. So I want to welcome you in to this awesome house. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house, over 1,350 square feet with a 2-car garage as well. So great vegetation out here into the front porch, with plenty of space for some rocking chairs and a table and what have you to just kind of hang out and chill. Great friendly neighborhood, so welcome on in. Here in the foyer, off to the left, is going to be the guest bath and guest bedroom, which can also be transferred into a home office or a den. There is some closet space here, overhead ceiling fan, and large windows lets in a lot of light from the front of the house. A spacious guest bathroom, plenty of counter space up there, and plenty of storage here with 2 closets. We'll venture on this way. It's the open layout of the house. The kitchen, the living room, the dining room, they all blend together. Nice open space and really a good sense of an open layout here. So I really like what they've done with it. Good counter space here in the kitchen for all those that like to cook. You won't run out of room in here, I promise you that. Got stainless steel appliances, all newer. Plenty of counter space and plenty of cabinets above and below. Nice window, lets in a lot of light here, so where you have lights off, I don't think you need them. Just use the natural light. We'll flow right in here to the dining room. This dining room overlooks the living room and the backyard, so good space here as well. Put in a nice large table, enjoy a formal dining experience right next to the kitchen. And this is my favorite part of the house, is the blend of indoor-outdoor space that you have with these sliding doors. There are tinted too, so it reduces UV exposure, keeps the house nice and cool. But for those nice days, you want to open it on up and kind of extend your space here. And you have a screened lanai back here. Table, some patio furniture, enjoy a cup of coffee out here. Let the dogs roam free here. Plenty of backyard space, lots of greenery out here. Nice tranquil space. As you notice, it's really quiet. We are on a street there, but not too loud at all, so that's really a nice bonus. Take you on over to the master bedroom now, here in the back corner of the house. So as you can see, there is great space in here, an overhead ceiling fan, and even more so is your walk-in closet. Really nice space in here, a lot of storage, shelving up there, and it has an ensuite bathroom, of course, with a dual vanity and a roaming shower. Walk in and plenty of room in there. So let me know what you think about the master as we come on over here to the garage and laundry room. So off to the foyer, you'll have the laundry room, which is great with the utility sink inside, guys. So that's really a nice feature. Shelving, again, more storage here for you. This takes you out to the garage. 2 cars, of course. Finished flooring, even room for a workbench if you'd like. Automatic garage door opener, which I'll pop open here. can't beat it, guys. Villas at Charleston Park. We have low HOA fees here, no CDD fees here, no need for flood insurance because we're not in a flood zone. And it's a great neighborhood feel. Lots of people out, friendly atmosphere. And what's great about this lot specifically, in this property across the way is the clubhouse, which you'll find a heated swimming pool, resort style swimming pool. You'll have a fitness center, a library, a kitchen, all that good stuff. Just walks down the road. So really a great option here for you. If you'd like to see more homes in the neighborhood, shoot me a DM. If you have questions about this one or the price point, don't hesitate reaching out. I'd be happy to help you in any way I can. But I want to thank you for joining me, and you guys stay healthy.